Research Rocks. It's me Sangram, and today's video we will see. Last month I purchased Studio 3 wireless headphone and I am facing the problem. Why I am facing the problem? Because of sometimes I connect this headphone on my Mac, on my company laptop, Android phone or my iPhone. Sometimes I am facing the problem. I am not connect as a fast. How I solve this problem? Using Reset the Beat Headphone 3. So how to reset? In this video I'll provide you detailed demonstration. It's very simple tips and tricks. So come to the here, close to the headphone. So look at this is my headphone, and here turning on button is this, and here volume down, volume up and down, as well as turning off. So first of all you need to press simultaneously turning off button and volume down. Just only 10 seconds. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10, and that's it. Now it's turning off, and now I just simply turning on, and now my Beat Studio headphone is reset. And then look at this, after reset I can very easily connect the headphone on my iPhone. The light is going on, and that's it. I can very easily connect now my headphone and I can play the song. So guys, if you really like this tips and tricks, so please hit the bell icon and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.